Brothers, I know that you have all been waiting for me to return. Together, we will crush the Sun on you and take over the city. All of Hong Kong will fear the name Big Scar Wu. Big Scar Wu, damn it! Big Scar Wu!
Ah, shit.
Wait! Let's go! Didn't want to leave you to fight them alone. Yeah, you drive. I got bad hands. Go ahead.
Damn, sorry I doubted you, Salty. This demon really means business.
Yeah, he's got a real hard-on for the Sun on you. That's for sure.
What's his story?
The way I hear it, they chopped up the body and fed it into the grinder over the Smiley Cat food bank. Meow. You give a guy anything less than a proper burial, he's most likely coming back as a ghost. You turn him into cat food, that's pretty much guaranteed. Huh.
So, what's with the nickname?
I guess once he got down there, they changed his name. Maybe that's why he's so pissed off. One thing you ought to know, best way to fight the undead is with the Peachwood sword.
You got one?
Nope. But the 18K might. They were gearing up before Smiley Cat got to them. Keep an eye out for them. Poor bastards. I hear they were looking for every supernatural weapon they could find. Looks like they didn't have your teeth, though. I hate to think what'd be like fighting those things with no teeth. Try not to wreck the car too much, okay? I don't want to steal a new one. That is some bad driving.
Ah, shit. There they are. You coming?
Take him out, Wei! Go!
Could have done it better myself. Watch for that guy! When I was young, I would have killed these guys! Go for the weak side!
You die here, Shen! Soon all of Hong Kong will be my slaves. We'll see how you like Smiley Cat then. I mean, Big Scar Wu! Motherfucker! I am the king of all Hong Kong! Death doesn't scare me! I have killed you and eaten you even when I was alive!
Look for the peaceful sword, kid. It's gotta be around here somewhere. Check the body. Right around here.
You think I care? You think I'm impressed?
Where is she?
You have bigger problems than her, you shit! Nobody messes with Big Scar Wu and gets away with it.
Never heard of him. Smiley Cat.
Hell is full of Sun On Yi. Who better to destroy a triad than its own members? But then, you knew that already, didn't you, Officer Shen?